Now I will harvest them to cook at home. Tomatoes can be cooked into many dishes. They are both delicious and nutritious. Growing tomatoes is not difficult. As long as you take care of them properly, you will have the tomato garden you want. Please watch this video of mine. I will guide you through each step of planting and fertilizing properly to help you have the tomato garden you want. If you find my videos interesting and meaningful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Bananas provide very high nutritional content, so I will use a small slice of banana and put it in the soil to sow the seeds. I choose tomatoes with old, firm seeds. I will take the seeds and put them in the soil to grow young plants. After sowing the seeds, I will sprinkle a little water on the ground to create moisture for the seeds to germinate quickly. Today I will use an old paint can to grow tomatoes. I will cut off the outer edge of the lid and put it down 1/4 of the barrel to make an automatic watering pipe. I punched a hole in the lid and put the wick in. And then I went ahead and punched a big hole and used a 21 plastic pipe to attach to the lid, and used a soda bottle to cut a piece off the top and attach to the plastic pipe to form a water line. To help the plant grow quickly, I mix worm castings and rice husks with the soil to plant the plant. After a few days of incubation, the seeds have now sprouted and grown into young plants, so I'm going to plant them in a paint bucket. After planting, I put water in the bottle so that the wick can absorb moisture from the ground to help the plant absorb moisture and grow faster. After 10 days of planting, the tree has taken root. To avoid compacting the soil, the tree will have difficulty growing. I will lightly loosen the top layer of soil. After digging the soil, I put worm castings at the base of the tree to help it absorb nutrients better. To make the tree stand more firmly, I put soil at the base. At this stage, the tree is growing healthily, so that the tree does not lack nutrients. I add worm castings to the base. Rice husks can retain moisture very well, so I will spread the rice husks on the ground. This is the flowering stage to provide nutrients for the plant, to produce many flowers and fruits. I continue to add worm castings to the base. This is the stage when worms and fungi invade very quickly. To prevent this, we use chopped shallots, put them in a water bottle, and spray the plants. It's amazing. In just 45 days, I can grow a tomato garden as I wish. Very fruitful. Now I will harvest and cook. If you find my videos interesting and meaningful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Goodbye and see you again.